Okay, we're here to test the DirectTV remote control usability. I'm going to give you a set of instructions. When you're done with each instruction, I want you to say complete, okay? The first instruction is to pick up the remote control in whichever hand you feel comfortable with. Hold the remote down. Lower. Okay. All right. Any problem picking it up?
No.
Find the on button. Okay. Any problem with that?
No.
Press the on button one time. No problem with that?
No.
Find the guide button. I saw there was a little delay there.
Well, I'm
Was
not
that-
familiar with the
Okay.
different buttons.
Okay. So that was a little difficult, huh? Okay. Locate the channel page button. Okay. Any problems with that?
No.
Locate the select button. No problems with that?
No.
Locate the info button on the remote. Okay. Did you have difficulties finding that one?
No.
Press the guide button one time. No problems with that?
No.
Find the volume button.
Oh.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Did you have any problems with these instructions?
No.
Were you able to locate all the buttons that I asked you to locate?
Yes.
Does the remote control feel comfortable in your hand?
Yes, it does.
Okay, thank you.